If you can't tell, absolutely fucking flooded. No, seriously, absolutely fucking flooded. And there's a bird. And we saw a snake almost bit us. No kids. This is insanely deep. Oh wait, I can see it through my phone here. Look, I can see. Look,
Hopefully it doesn't get too deep for Batman.
yeah, I'm not walking. I'm sliding my feet now.
Yeah, me too, bro.
I can see there's something through the water in my
Bro,
phone.
this is Batman's first trial, bro. Come on, Batman, this is vital.
How does he look? Oh no!
He's surviving, bro. He's surviving.
No! It looks like it's getting a little bit better. Definitely stronger in current-wise. You know that bird? No, we have to help the bird, bro. We have to help the bird. It's like not flying. It's not dead. I would. Idiot.
Not that bad. I thought that thing was a fucking bird.
You think I should grab it?
I would.
You think it's got diseases?
Here, I'll touch it with my stick.
All right. See if it'll move. It ain't flying, bro. We gotta save it.
I saved it.
You killed him! No! You killed him! He's alive. He's alive. I'm gonna go save him, bro. I have an idea. I have an idea. Get on here, bud. Get on. Get on. Get on.
Dog, this is way worse than what you're doing.
Oh! Oh shit! Don't fly. No, no, don't do it. Please, don't peck me.
Sir, I'm getting carried away.
I don't care. I see why he got hurt. Wait. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. No, no. Woo! I'm soaked now. No, it. Oh. Fuck it. Fuck it. I got this. I got this. The bird knows what's good. He knows what's good. Flip the camera around. No. No, fuck it, we stay. No, I'll flip it around just in case I bust ass. I need this. Don't you fly, bitch. Oh. We made it out. Bird is free. Bird is good.
Let's go.
We're not good. Bird is good.